Here comes the crochet tutorial for pet necklaces. A red and festive New Year bib. It's easy to crochet. Repeat the pattern in each round. The ribbon is crocheted in the shape of a clover. Let's crochet together according to the tutorial. Use 4 strands of yarn with a 2.5 crochet hook. Start with a chain stitch. Start with 63 chain stitches. Hook the yarn. Insert the hook into the penultimate stitch. Bring the yarn over and back to stitches. This is the way to crochet a double crochet stitch. Continue to crochet the second one. We crochet 61 double crochet stitches in turn. The first round of white is completed. We draw the red yarn. Chain 12 stitches. Tighten the white yarn. Then turn the fabric over. Continue to hook 1 stitch to 1 stitch. And crochet 61 double crochet stitches. Pay attention to hide the yarn ends. Next, we crochet the 4th round. Chain on stitch and turn the fabric. First, we hook a single crochet stitch. After completing the single crochet stitch, and skip to stitches, and insert the hook into the next stitch, and crochet a double crochet stitch, and a slip stitch. In this way, continue to crochet 1 double crochet stitch, and a slip stitch. The second time, in this stitch, we need to repeat 6 times. After completion, skip to stitches, insert the hook into the next stitch. We start crocheting the second group. Start with single crochet stitches. Skip to stitches. Repeat the process 6 times here. According to this rule, a total of 10 groups. 10 patterns are completed. We have 3 stitches left. Insert the hook into the last stitch, and hook a single crochet stitch. We need to change the yarn. Take out the white yarn. Chain on stitch and turn the fabric. First, we hook a single crochet stitch. We insert the hook into the single crochet stitch of the last round. We hook a single crochet stitch next. We insert the hook into the chain stitch of the last round. Hook the stitch and wind the yarn. Insert the hook into this hole, and hook an extra double crochet stitch. After that, chain 3 stitches. Then in the next, enter the hook at this gap, and hook a double crochet stitch increase. Then chain 3 stitches. Finish 4 groups. There is the last gap here, and crochet an extra stitch here. This way, a set of patterns is completed. Single crochet stitches, then double crochet stitches, 3 chain stitches, and crochet for groups, and finally crochet 1 double crochet stitch. Next, start repeating. Insert the hook into the single crochet stitch of the last round. Hook single crochet stitches in the last round, in the gap of this hole, and increase stitches for double crochet stitches, then 3 chain stitches. According to this pattern, we finish this round. We'll crochet this red ball. Insert the hook into this gap. Bring the yarn over and make 3 stitches. Yarn over. Bring the yarn over, and hook an incomplete double crochet stitch. This is 1 time. We repeat it 5 times. And pass the yarn through all the loops. Then chain 3 stitches. And pull the yarn through the stitch. Then we'll crochet the ribbon. First, chain 3 stitches. Insert the hook into the last stitch. We crochet 3 incomplete double crochet stitches. After completion, wind the yarn through all loops. Finally, chain 3 stitches and pull through here. Okay, this is the first time I will crochet 3. The insertion position, always at the last chain stitch. Finish the 3 patterns. We directly start a chain stitch. After completion, lengthen the loop and insert it. We put it in this scarf. We just pick the first stitch over, then skip 2 stitches, and hook 2 stitches. After turning it over, we crochet this pattern. The crocheting method is the same. Insert the hook into the 3rd last stitch and crochet 3 incomplete double crochet stitches. Yarn over and pass through all loops. Chain 3 stitches and pull up. Repeat 3 times, like this, and our scarf is done.